Hey guys, it's me, Caitlin. How's it going? If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Caitlin and I do makeup for humanoids, but it was recently pointed out to me that that might be excluding a group, so I just want to take this moment to extend an invitation to all dogs, cats, and other creatures to also enjoy my content. But if you are a human and you like makeup, you're in the right place. Today, as promised, I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for you guys. So if you guys want to see what was in February's Boxycharm, then keep on watching. If you guys saw my last Boxycharm unboxing, you know that I was not thrilled with January at all. That was not the one, but I have already opened my box as usual to see what all is inside, to see what I need to put on my face, and I'm already a lot more excited about this one than last month. So the theme of this box is Afterglow. So I suppose we're gonna get some kind of glowy products going on. And the first product I want to tell you guys about is one that I've been trying out because this is skincare again, and this is a face cleanser by Pharmacy called Clean Bee. And this has honey in it, it has hyaluronic acid in it, and supposedly it's going to be great for combination and dry skin types. I have been trying this face wash every day for about 5 days now, and I'm really glad that I had a chance to try it out before I talk to you guys about it, because I have some thoughts on this. The first time that I washed my face with this, first of all, I noticed the smell, and a lot of people online are saying they hate the smell. I really like it actually. To me, it smells exactly like all of the Aveda products, but with the smell of honey on top of that. It's very honeylicious. So if you like the smell of honey, you're gonna like this. But I also noticed when I washed my face with this that it left a very squeaky clean feeling. And for me, that can mean a few things, but it definitely means that if you have dry skin, it felt pretty drying. My skin felt really tight and clean. I have combination skin that can sometimes break out, so I can be okay with some very squeaky clean kind of cleansers, but I was thinking if this is meant for dry skin, this can't be right. But I realized the more I used it the next few days that it didn't leave that feeling anymore. It was starting to feel more moisturized after I washed my face. So I would say if you do have combination skin, this is going to be great for you. Even if you have oily skin, this is probably pretty good for you. If you have dry skin, try it out, but give it a few days to see how it makes you feel and if it's going to be too drying for you. But overall, I've really been liking this product and I'm going to keep using it. Let's see how much it retails for. This is $22. Here's my other gripe though. Once again, I don't believe this is the full size of this product. When I looked it up on Sephora, there was a bigger size than this as their standard size. So what's up with that, Boxycharm? You're supposed to send us full-size products and this is not full size. I still really like it. Still a good amount of cleanser, but kind of annoyed at the not full-size situation. Boxycharm, let's fix that. The reason I have no makeup on my face today is because the first product in this box is a primer, and this is the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. That name is really bizarre. But as you can guess, this is a pore filling primer and a smoothing primer, and I'm really excited because I always use a pore filling primer in my makeup routine, and I've heard so many people rave about this. Jeffree Star loves this, Kathleen Lights loves this, so I'm really excited to try it out and see how it does on my face. Let's get a little pump here. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna need yet. And I'm just gonna apply it to my pore areas. I have a lot on my nose, always, and then I go under on my cheeks like this. Ooh, it smells good. And for a pore filling primer, it's really kind of more liquidy than I'm used to. I feel like usually they have a really thick texture. And then I always put a little more on my chin as well, because I tend to get large pores there. If you guys saw my last video, I talked to you guys about the bird situation in my house, and we're just gonna have to roll with that until next month. It's only a couple more weeks of me filming here, but we're just dealing with bird chirps. So if you guys hear that in the background, sorry. Deal with it. I deal with it, you deal with it. Okay. So I'm gonna take a closer look at my face right now and see if my pores look any different to me off the bat. I just realized I've been filming this whole video without my beauty light on. Hold please. Wow, can you see the difference? That's the magic of lighting right there, guys. Sorry about that. We can't go back now. We can't start this video over. The primer is already on my face. So let me take a close-up look now that I can see my face better. Yeah, I'd say my skin definitely looks smoother in the areas where I applied the primer, but the real test will be once I have makeup on top of it. So the rest of the products in this box are all kind of finishing touch kind of products. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put on almost my entire face of makeup off camera really quick. I'll come back and do those last few items for you guys on camera. And I'm gonna go ahead and use products that are my tried and true complexion products that I know perform well on my skin, so that if they don't look right, I'll know it has something to do with this primer. So I'll be back in a little bit with most of my makeup on. Alright guys, I am back with almost all of my makeup on, and looking up close at my complexion, I feel like everything is looking really great so far. Everything does look smoothed out by that primer, so I think I'm really enjoying it. I used my Light Illusion foundation by Flower that I like a lot, and it's sitting really nicely on top of this, so I think I'm going to keep using this. And the retail price for that No Problem primer was $18. So I think that was a really exciting product to get in my box, and I can't wait to try it out some more. But let's move on. The next product that I'm going to be putting on is a highlight from Pretty Vulgar, and this is in the shade Shimmering Swan. So this is the highlight. It's got kind of a champagne-y golden undertone to it. And let's try her on the skin. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, okay, very shiny. I do have some texture going on right now, and I feel like it's not really emphasizing it, but that is like, that's a blingy highlight. That's a pretty blinding one. I'm gonna not go too crazy. I'm just going out to the movies today with Toby, so we're not going anywhere too special, but honestly, your highlight can never be too bright, so who care? Who really cares? I like that. It's always hard to see how shiny it is on camera, but I think actually that's picking up really nice. I'm gonna do just a touch on the tip of the nose and down the bridge, on my Cupid's bow, and a little dusting on the chin. Like I said, I'm not gonna go crazy right now because we're keeping it casual today. I also went ahead and left my inner corner blank on my eye, so I'm gonna pop a little bit of this highlight in the inner corners. This is turning into the noisiest video ever. There's a dog barking outside that I've never heard in my life, and birds chirping, so, you know, thanks you guys for bearing with me. It is what it is. The move is on the horizon. Yeah, I like that highlight. I think it's really pretty. I'm excited to add that to my collection. Let's see how much it is. Okay, the Pretty Vulgar highlight is $32. She bougie. She's so expensive. Is there construction happening outside my door right now? What is this noise? Alright guys, next up is a product that I have used before. It is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. It's a really popular one. And I really like this mascara, but when I have used it previously, I found that it transfers really easily and little flakes end up on my under eyes, like little black flakes. So that's kind of why I've stopped using this, but I am curious to give it another try because that was many years ago and maybe the formulation's gotten better, so let's see if it's any different now. Alright guys, I have the mascara on my eyes. I didn't do my lower lashes at all because lately when I do a more natural look, I don't bother with them, and especially because I don't trust this mascara to not flake all over my face and ruin my makeup, I'm just gonna leave them bare today. But on the top lashes, it does look really nice. This is one of the easiest to apply mascaras I've used in a while, so I'm hoping that maybe just on the top lashes I'm not gonna have a problem. We'll see after today. But I do love the way that it looks right now. And this mascara does retail for $24, guys, so that's definitely a great item to be getting in our box. All right, we're down to our very last product, and it is a lip product. This is by Steak, which is a brand I'm not familiar with. I haven't really heard of them before. Let's see what it says about this. This is the Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. Is there a primer? Oh, down here it says primer inside. How does it? Oh, it's cute. It's like a little lip balm in there. Let's try that first. Okay, I don't know. Doesn't feel super moisturizing. Is it supposed to be? Let's see what it says. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. So I don't know if it's supposed to be moisturizing or like fill in the lines in your lips, but I don't know. I don't really see much of a difference with that. But let's see about the color. This is in the shade English Rose. Oh, okay. First thoughts are, I don't know how I feel about the shape of this. Let's see if I can get it to focus on it. So this is like a weird rectangular shape coming out of the tube. I don't know how that's gonna apply necessarily, if it's gonna be helpful, if it's gonna be hurtful, but I guess we can only find out one way. Alright guys, this is the lip color on, and I have to say, I really like it, honestly. It's a lot more pigmented than what I was expecting. For some reason, when I saw a crayon, I thought it wouldn't be this pigmented, but it came on really nice. This is just one layer of color, and I do like this shade. I don't know if it necessarily goes with the eye look I put on, but I do like it. I have to say I do like that weird rectangular shape of the crayon as well. It made it really easy to put it on without lining my lips, which I didn't. So it helped me kind of control the shape that I was doing, and overall I'm kind of impressed by this. It feels pretty creamy, but a little sticky, so I feel like it might last for a little bit. It's definitely a cream formula though, not meant to last all day, I bet. Let's see how transfer proof it is right here on my card from Boxycharm. Yeah, it's all over this card. Did I mess up my lipstick? No, okay. It's all over the card, so definitely, I mean, you're gonna leave little kissies on anybody that you're smacking and kissing on. But overall, I really enjoyed that lip product, and it is $25. So guys, that's all the products in this month's Boxycharm. Let's go ahead and total up and see what the value is on this box. The total value of this month's box came out to $121. So that's $100 more than what I paid for this box, and I am very happy with this box, especially compared to last month. I really didn't end up keeping anything from that box besides face masks. In this one, honestly, I would have thought that I wouldn't want to keep that lip color, but I like it, and I think I'm going to end up keeping everything in this box and using it. I really love this blinding highlight. I still think $32 is pretty steep, but it is beautiful. I'm going to keep using that primer and the face wash, and we'll see how this mascara wears for me. Hopefully no flaky flakies. But thank you guys so much for being here. If you do want to try out Boxycharm for yourself, I will have a link down below. It is just a referral link. It doesn't make me any money or anything like that. She ain't sponsored. She ain't got enough followers for that. But feel free to click it. Check out Boxycharm. I think it's absolutely worth it, you guys. Thank you so much for being here and watching my channel. Please, if you have not, hit the subscribe button down below and join my family. We're super cool around here. We keep it chill. We have a good time. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! You guys saw my last video. The next product I'm going to be putting on is a highlight from Pretty Golger. I can't open it. Okay. I'm gonna refilm this whole thing because there's like 7 sounds going on. There are birds, there are dogs. Everything that could be loud is being loud. Oh, I finally get a box that I really like, and I can't even film it because it's so loud. Oh, whale.